Today we're going to be looking at this case, which has got a bit of a view. When I say a bit of a view, I don't mean because it's got a glass side so you can see inside. I mean because it's got an actual LCD display on the front, which will show you all your hardware info. Today we're looking at the Valkyrie VK-02, an ATX mid-tower PC case designed specifically for gamers and system builders. This case is available in black or white and has an option for a built-in 10.1 inch IPS touchscreen featuring a resolution of 1280 by 800 at 60 Hz, connected internally via a mini HDMI cable as well as a USB cable. Packaging is straightforward, featuring a simple brown box with black printed details. The front displays a basic diagram, while the back shows an exploded view, clearly highlighting internal components. Specifications are detailed on the sides. Inside you'll find the case itself, along with an optional panel if you prefer to remove the touchscreen. Also included are USB and HDMI cables for the screen connectivity, screws, cable ties, and a brief screen manual. A complete manual can be accessed online or via the QR code on the box. The case features a tempered glass side panel secured by a thumb screw and pressure pads, offering clear visibility of the interior. The opposite side has a metal panel with perforations for airflow. The front of the case is divided into two sections. The upper area houses the removable touchscreen, while the lower half is perforated for airflow, complemented by central RGB lighting. The top panel offers additional ventilation and houses front I/O ports, including two USB 3.0 ports, one USB 3.1 Type-C, two audio jacks, a power and a reset button. The bottom includes a removable full-length dust filter, and the rear supports a standard layout with a bottom-mounted power supply bracket, 7 PCI-e bays, which are rotatable for a vertical GPU mounting, and one pre-installed 140mm RGB fan. On one of the PCI-e bays, there are two cutouts to route cables from the LCD screen through to your GPU and motherboard. Compatibility-wise, the case supports ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, and also supports motherboards with back-mounted connections. The case supports GPUs up to 420mm, CPU coolers up to 185mm and power supplies up to 220mm. For cooling, you can install up to 13 fans or accommodate radiators up to 420mm on the front, side and top. Although there is one thing to note, and that's the front mounted screen might restrict airflow slightly. In terms of build quality, we observed some slight alignment issues with the panels, particularly around the front grille and the top panel edges, which seemed slightly uneven. Finally, while the built-in touchscreen is an intriguing addition, it is currently limited by significant software issues. The touchscreen functionality just did not operate using the UI what comes with the case. If you use the screen as an additional screen, like having two monitors, then it worked fine, but as soon as you opened up the user interface, it just didn't do anything. Additionally, because the screen acts as an extension of your desktop, it's easy to lose your mouse cursor or applications behind the screen's user interface. The software also suffers from language and readability issues, as well as minimal customization options. The on-screen readouts for system statistics are notably difficult to read, as they're quite small and there seems to be no option to enlarge them on the screen. Overall, the VK-02 is visually appealing and offers extensive cooling and customization potential, but the implementation of the built-in touchscreen and software requires considerable improvement for practical use. The TechMax Expo 25 is the UK's top tech trade show, bringing together hundreds of IT professionals. It's a great opportunity to strengthen relationships with vendors and distributors while networking with industry leaders. You can explore the latest tech and services for growing your IT business. There is also thousands of pounds of prizes up for grabs. And not only that, it's free to attend the day event. The event takes place on the 27th of June 2025 at Magna Adventure and Science Centre near Meadowhall in Sheffield. Features include a live tech awards ceremony, evening retro entertainment, meeting areas and interactive demos. Can you afford not to be one of the 800 IT professionals who are expected to attend? Registration is now open at tftmax.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and no, I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.